नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनलमध्ये आपले मनापासून स्वागत. आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करून आम्हाला मदत करा, म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.
Hello learners, is chapter number 15, Sound. Important topics in this lesson: production of sound, propagation of sound and medium, sound and music, sound produced in human. Question number 1. Fill in the blank with appropriate word. A. The region in a sound wave with higher pressure and density is called dash dash dash, and that with low pressure and density is called dash 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 dash. Rarefaction. Compression. B. Medium is dash 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 for generation of sound. Necessary. C. The total number of compressions and rarefactions produced per second in a sound wave is 1000. The frequency of the sound wave is dash 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 500 Hz. D. Different sound notes have different dash dash dash. Frequency. E. In loudspeaker dash 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 energy is converted into dash dash energy. Magnetic sound. Question number 2. Give scientific reasons. A. It is essential to change the tension on the vocal cords as we produce different sound notes from our larynx. Answer. In the humans, sound is produced in the larynx. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cords tight or loose. Hence, it is essential to change the tension on the vocal cords as we produce different sound notes from our larynx. B. Astronauts on the moon cannot hear each other directly. Answer. Astronauts on the moon cannot hear each other directly because there is no medium or air on the moon, and for the communication air is necessary to travel speech molecules in the surrounding. C. As the sound wave propagates from one place to the other in air, the air itself is not required to move from one place to the other. Answer. The air molecule in the region which were in compressed state earlier transfer their energy to the air molecule in the next region. So the air in that region goes to compressed state. Such a periodic motion of the prongs creates compression and rarefaction in the air, and these are propagated away from the prongs. Hence, As the sound wave propagates from one place to the other in air, the air itself is not required to move from one place to the other. Number 3. How are different sound notes generated in musical instruments like guitar, which uses strings for sound generation, and flute, which uses blown air for sound generation? Answer. Number 1. In string-based instruments, the frequency of vibration of the string is changed by changing the tension on the string and or by changing the vibrating length of the string using fingers. This results in generation of different notes. 2. In musical instruments like flute, the holes on the flute are opened or closed to change the length of vibrating air column in the flute. The frequency of waves therefore changes and it results in the production of different notes. In flute, different notes can be generated by changing the way of air blowing also. Question number 4. How is sound produced in human larynx and a loudspeaker? Answer. Sound produced in human larynx. In the humans, sound is produced in the larynx. While swallowing food, we can feel with our finger a hard bump that seems to move. This is nothing but larynx. It is at the upper end of the windpipe. Two vocal cords are stretched across the voice box or larynx in such a way that it leaves a narrow slit between them for the passage of air. When the lungs force air through the slit, the vocal cords vibrate, producing sound. Muscles attached to the vocal cords can make the cord tight or loose. When the vocal cords are tight and thin, the type or quality of voice is different. Sound produced in loudspeaker. Permanent magnet from microphone, screen, coil. Sound produced in loudspeaker. In the permanent magnet from microphone in the form of cross-sectional coil. It consists of permanent magnet. A coil is wound around it, and if a current flows through this coil, it also generates magnetic field. Depending on the magnetic field created due to the coil moves back and forth. Depending on the magnetic field created of the movement of the coil depends on the variation in the current, the frequency and amplitude. As the coil moves, the conical screen of the loudspeaker, which is attached to the coil, also moves back and forth. Due to back and forth motion of the tuning fork, sound waves are produced. In the same way, here, due to back and forth motion of the loudspeaker screen, sound waves are produced in air. Question number 5. Explain the experiment with neat diagram to prove the following. Sound needs material medium for propagation. Answer. We can perform the experiment with a bell. Diagram. Keep the bell in a jar and connect it with battery. Then close the jar and see that air cannot go in it. Then catch a vacuum in it to release out air. Now ring the bell. We will observe that we hear some sound. Then start vacuum and release out some air. This time we will listen less sound as compared before. Repeat the procedure. Again, we will observe that as the air is removed, the intensity of sound becomes very low and at last no air will remain in the jar. And when we will ring the bell, no sound will be heard. This shows that sound needs a medium to propagate. Question 6. Match the following. Number A, B. 1. Human larynx. 2. Loudspeaker. 3. Jal taranga. 4. Tuning fork. 5. Sitar. Vibrations of metal arms. Vibrations in air column. Vibrations in vocal cords. Vibrations in strings. Vibrations of screen. Number A, B. 1. Human larynx. Vibrations in vocal cords. 2. Loudspeaker. Vibrations on screen. 3. Jal taranga. Vibrations in air column. 4. Tuning fork. Vibrations of metal arms. 5. Sitar. Vibrations in strings.